Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I made new project video GPT 360 second part. We bring the future close, we make life better. Step into a world where the future becomes reality and life becomes effortless. With GPT 360 covering edge AI features, we revolution the way you engage, market, and success in the digital era. AI powered. Why choose GPT-360? Comprehensive ecosystem for enhanced engagement, adoption, and collaboration. GPT-360 is energetic to bring the exciting divided between the rapidly refining cryptocurrency ecosystem and the broader digital community participate trending Web2 user towards a combination of innovative features and user center opportunity. GPT-360 address the core challenging independent in the digital and cryptocurrency sector. Trying GPT-360. Frequently asking question. You can find all the details you want to know about this GPT-360 hub. What is Ethereum protocol? With its X rights? What is affiliate networking hub? With its battle pass and sprint? What is the AI moderation platform? What does the dashboard and analysis of in the GPT-360? What is AI crypto news? Team and advisor. Partners. Wish to get listed. Fill the form. Contact info at the gpt360.io. Sitemap, innovative technology, learn and connect us. Thank you friends.